Hello, I'm CADian. Let's take a look at the convenient functions of CADian. CADian is a CAD software compatible with AutoCAD, developed by the Korean company Korea. In CADian CAD, you can easily draw a break line. We will examine the break line drawing feature in Utility. Use the pull-down menu to execute commands. When you click Utility, the drawing menu appears, and you click on drawing a break line. First, set the size of the break line. Type S on the keyboard, and then press Enter. Specify the size by clicking to points with the mouse. Specify the start point followed by the end point. Finally, specify the break point. To draw a break line at the default midpoint, press Enter on the keyboard. The command ends, and the break line is drawn. We drew a break line using the utility function of CADian CAD. If you have any questions about CADian, please contact us on the website or via email. Thanks for watching.